In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to create consistent infographics with Gemini Nano Banana. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we are going to do, if we haven't already, is get Nano Banana to create an infographic for us. To do this, you need to click Tools on the prompt box, then select Create Images, then you can type something along the lines of, please can you turn the below 10 points into an aesthetically pleasing infographic. The main colours should be blue and black. Please ensure all spelling is correct. Then I'll paste all the information below and press enter. It has now come back with this. We can ask Nano Banana to make any adjustments to this. Then when we're happy, we can simply click the download button in the top right. Now if we open a new chat and again go to Tools and select Create Images, then click the plus icon and select Upload Files, then upload the infographic we have just downloaded. Once uploaded, we can type something along the lines of, using the attached infographic as a template, please can you turn the below 10 points into an infographic, keeping the colours/theme the same. Please make sure all the spelling and grammar is correct. Then I'm going to paste the information below, then press enter. Within seconds, this is what it has come back with. Here is a side-by-side comparison between both. As you can see, they both have the same theme, colours and style. That's all we have for this video on creating consistent infographics with Gemini Nano Banana. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.